Welcome to the assessment tutorial for candidates on TaleGlobal. In this video, we'll show you how to access, complete, and review the results of your assessment. To begin, open your dashboard and select My Applications from the side panel. Here, you'll see all the jobs that you've applied for through the platform. Scroll down to the relevant application and click on View Interviews. Before proceeding, carefully read and accept the terms and conditions. Once accepted, click on Start Interview to begin your assessment. Before it starts, a pop-up displaying the rules and violation guidelines will appear on your screen. Please read these instructions carefully as they outline the rules that must be followed during the assessment. Once you've reviewed the information, click on I accept to continue. Next, TaleGlobal will request permission to access your camera. Your camera will be used to monitor and record the assessment session. These recordings and captures may be reviewed by the employer or consultancy to identify any violations or suspicious activity during the process. Once camera access has been granted, the assessment will begin. You can now start answering the questions presented to you. The assessment may contain different types of questions depending on how it was configured by the employer. Carefully read each question and provide your answers before moving to the next one. Once you've completed all questions, review your responses if necessary and click on Submit Assessment to finish the assessment. After submission, your results will be evaluated. If your assessment includes subjective questions that require manual evaluation by the employer, the final result may become available after the evaluation process is completed. If the assessment consists entirely of automatically graded MCQ questions, your result will be displayed immediately after submission. Please note that assessment results may be used as elimination criteria during the recruitment process. If you do not achieve the required passing score, you will be automatically disqualified from further interview rounds and removed from the job selection process. If you would like to check your assessment result at any time, return to your dashboard and select My Applications from the side panel. Locate the relevant job application and click on View Interviews. After accepting the terms and conditions, select View Result. You will then be able to view your assessment result and current application status. And that's it. You now know how to access, complete, and review assessments on TaleGlobal. Thank you for watching and best of luck with your applications.